Hello everyone! I'm Teacher Mari do canal Inglês com Mari. Você já reparou na natureza à sua volta? Quanta coisa bonita e colorida que ela nos oferece? Nesse vídeo de hoje nós vamos aprender então sobre nature. Let's go! Nature. What can we see in the nature? During the day, we can see the blue sky. And in the sky, we can see the sun. And also the clouds. In the nature, there are trees. And also beautiful flowers. Oh, and there are some animals too. Listen, it's a bird singing. And this? Oh, they are butterflies. This girl, she's looking at a ladybug. And those, they are ants. Listen. Oh, this one is a bee. Oh, it's raining. But when it rains and there is sun, we may see a rainbow. How beautiful our nature is. And when the sun goes down and all the animals go home to sleep, the night comes. And during the night, we can see other things like the moon and bright stars. And we can see another animals. Look, that is an owl. And this one, wow, that's a wolf. These, they are bats. And it doesn't matter if it's during the day or during the night. Our nature is always beautiful. And you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you on my next video. Bye!